जत्रनो हामबाय जों साजाकी यूट्यूब चैनल नि थेके आं तिनि विशेष करे ताक बसकांनि जे एग्जाम बरंनि बागै ब्लाइखे नांगौक माने इंलिश ग्रामार प्रेक्टिस खालामनाय नायतंदि पुलियान थेके पाइथाक जरा आं तिनि जे सेंटेंस कारेक्शन बा रंग आबो प्रेक्टिस खालामनाय नायतंदि ब्लाइखे हेल्पफुल लंनाय सेंटेंस करेक्शन निनी आंग्रिनाय बाबू ए नंबर रिखा नानो साका सिलिनाय हुइज सेंटेंस इज करेक्ट ए नंबर रिखा The man took a pen. The man taking a pen. The man taken a pen. None of this. Aro babo bo sentence a dasa, b dasa, c dasa, t dasa. Ege aro bo the man taking a pen अवसाया तंगै ing गनां ing जदि रिकांकाय एमी साबा वासफेर नांनाय कंटिन्यूअस the man taking a pen अवसाया अब has याकबे have नांनाय याकबे had नांनाय past participle form 11 the man took a pen अब correct a number अब past indefinite बोलते subject plus PVPA plus O और जे सूत्रनो इंग्लिश ग्रामाटिकल क्लास पार्ट 28 और नाइ पाइदि इंग्लिश ग्रामाटिकल क्लास पार्ट 28 ने आजागा जत सूत्र दंगो और सूत्र मानबायमान पड़े से नों परिष्कार नाय तंदि तेबो प्रेक्टिस अनेकटा आइडिया थानाय अमाहायकेनो जेकुनो एग्जाम बरिवो नायतंगनि पुलियान थेके पाइथाक जरा और रिसापा ए नंबर he has been written a note और लिखा तो कैसे रिसापा he has writing a note he had been writing a note none of this और बबो करेक्ट नाय which is the correct sentence. This is the correct sentence. Both correct sentence. He has been written a note. He has writing a note. He have been writing a note. None of this. Ekaro naine angkul yang hanya pengai. He has been already written ya writing nai ing nai. Abo saya abo present continuous jadi na angka ing na nai. He has writing a note mo saya. Abo perfect ngai written sing nai. He have been writing a moro oro angka mo ostak caka saya caka. Oro have rithani chali oro has na tomani. Or none of this. Obaike night only on a important class. I'm on a thing for night. Okay, I want for a sutra. Apply Canadian Kanai. Emperor Nonarika. They have gone to home. They has gone to home. They has going to home. None of this. और वो sentence correct. और only they have gone to home. They has gone to home. They has going to home. और वो they has going to home अब saya. They has gone to home अब saya. They have gone to home अब तो they plural लेंगे अब have पंखा era present past participle era object माने subject plus has ये क्या बा have plus pvpp plus o pvpp plus o और सूत्र करेक्ट मिली वो क्या वो करेक्ट सेंटेंस ini kelak sentence correction belai ke nangkuk mani naik tong di pulian teke paithak jora teke sang request kene like khaidi share khaidi jot friend no share khaidi kaisa like khaike hangkai ang video khaina ni bagai te bo sai tong nai ba video khaina mo sungo hangkai like rok dislike rok jodi hangkai to ang khaina karon aro kono profitable kre help se ege like khaidi Galeri kila borok not tu bode ingai ani bokhanot tebo kaham video khainan bagai mosung ready ingai jara tabuk bo subscribe khaje ko sera no ingai subscribe khaidi bell icon click khaidi tang ingai video upload khaige na notification soginan bagai naidi a number ikha he is called by Ravi. B number she is taken by Sima. Sorry, taking by Sima. She has taken by Rima. None of this. Or ID, both sentence are he is called by Ravi. She is taken by Shima. She has taken by Rima. None of this. Or she has taken, has by taking ya. Has by taking ya. Or तेसा by गना अब passive form से abong ya. She is taking by Shima. Taking it buying ya. Moba saya. He is called by Ravi. अब खाई Ravi by call खजा अब correct. A number no correct. अब हंका ini present indefinite ni passive form. Present indefinite ni passive form. An pore dekhano na he has written a note he have written a note he has been written a note he has been write a note. All of both sentence correct. He has been write a note about to sign on. He has been writing na nangai. Mane present perfect continuous ni. He has been written a note. He has been written a note. He has been written a note writing. He has been writing a note of Bongya. He have written a note of he by Hapunya. Has mise. He has written a or writing na namani kinto or written dijak kating gai awa saya written dijak writing rekhe chakamo. He has written a note of hangkai correct. He has written a note. Ngas heman thangka of correct. Aban pore likha Father order that open the door. B number rekha. Father order to open the door. Apple rekha to open the door. Father order to open the door. कैसे लिखा बा और really none of this पर लिखा none of this because Bobo correct sentence. Father ordered that open the door. Father ordered to open the door. Father ordered to open the door. None of this. Ega father order to open oro eating ya obasalia. Father order to open the door obasakha. Father order dating ya jagawa. Ega जों obasakha seman thaka. और सूत्र इंग्लिश ग्रामाटिकल क्लास पार्ट 28 नि जे सूत्र नायखे हंकाय और सूत्र पाकांग थानाय एगे अब हंका प्रैक्टिस है ते क्लास खाइजाक दंग विभिन्न बॉयज एंड क्लास इन जों साजा खिने यूट्यूबर सिखे हंकायनो नंकर फायो आराम से काहाम काय आस्ते आस्ते के बुझक जाक आ सूत्रनि अनुसारे ओका बॉयज एंड नि नेरेशननि बॉयसेननि नेरेशननि जतन खाइजाक दंग नायदि इनखायनो आराम से कनसेप्ट थानाय जरा बिगिनार बारा कनसेप्ट जे रक गाहाम खालाय नायदि कैसे नायदि He takes a pen which is red. He take a pen which is red. He taking a pen which is red. None of this. Arababongna. He taking ya arabo is rekai sakhamu abasalia. He take a pen which is red. Arabo third person singular number bagai. Oro yes nangnai. Hidoro yes ngwa keringe abasalia. He takes a pen which is red. Correct. He takes a pen which is red. Sekarang thaga. Enggak, ang request kayaknya joto mau video nungman pore joto friend tongsak WhatsApp group tonggo ini Facebook joto jaga share kayaknya tangga enggak viewer kaisa jaga viewer belai bangku angkai ang video kayaknya daily kait danai jadi viewer 100 ba 100 like drop rok enggak to ani da mana video kayaknya nih ang kap hayanggo jadi no क्लास खाइनानै मुचुङो परीक्षा नागे गोबां मा भिडिअ माना मुचुङो हंगांगाय गेलेरे गेला बरक शेयार खाइदि गेलेरे गेला बरक न शेयार खायै आ भिडिअ गोबां जदि भिउ जारां गांगाय आंते बो कटाल भिडिअ खाइनानै बागै बा ग्रामाटिकल प्रेक्टिस बा निनि जे कोनो रोल अनुसार प्रत्येकटा खाइनानै बागै आं चाइटंनाय एगे आंगा काइसाना रिक्वेस्ट गेलेरे गेला फ्रेन्ड न निनि सब्सक्राइब खाइदि बा शेयार खाइदि एगे लाइक खाइदि एगे तिन आं तिनि किसा खाइफुनुका एगे आसनको नेक्स्ट क्लास रगो मालायफिनाय